My name is Viswaraj. I'm project manager at Kham Power. We are a social enterprise based in Nepal. We help rural farmers and small businesses save energy cost and improve productivity with solar energy. Broadly speaking, we are receiving three kinds of support from the We4F program: financial resources, technical assistance, and enabling environment support. The financial resources have been instrumental in product development and social mobilization. We're also receiving technical assistance through the Regional Innovation Hub, which has been particularly helpful in partnership development, expansion, and scaling. The V4F Regional Hub is also helping us navigate regulatory and market development challenges at home and abroad. We believe that the V4F program will be highly impactful for us as it has been designed to help us address the fundamental challenges in our pursuit to scale. Whether it is product refinement, partnership development, improving the distribution channels, or navigating the regulatory uncertainties, the V4F program has a comprehensive array of support with specialized expertise. This has enabled us to iterate faster, engage with partners and end users at a greater scale, thus magnifying the speed of our development as well as deployment. I think there are mainly two reasons why similar companies might want to apply for the call of innovation. First, the support that the companies can receive from this program is very diverse. Secondly, the V4F program also brings in a host of expertise and a network of some of the best enterprises in the region and in the world. I think there's incredible opportunity for peer learning, and the network effect is alone might be attractive for many innovators to be a part of this program.